To delete a playlist on Spotify. Welcome back everyone to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you the process of deleting a playlist that you don't want anymore on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open up your app of Spotify and then you need to tap on the your library section on the bottom so that you can view all of the playlists that you created. Now to delete a playlist, just open up the playlist that you want to delete, and then here on the top you would see this three dot line. Tap on this dot line and then you'll have this menu from where you can see an option called delete playlist. So now you can just tap on delete playlist and this menu will open up. You just need to tap on delete again and your playlist will be successfully deleted. You can also delete it without entering it by tapping and holding the playlist, and again you'll have an option of delete playlist. You can just tap on delete and this playlist will be successfully deleted. So that's the easy process of deleting a playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.